In this video, I tell you everything you need to know to make money on Etsy. Join me as I share some crucial steps you need to follow to start generating mind-blowing income from Etsy. And trust me, you don't want to miss any of the steps because I'll give you some tips that'll help you get more sales even during holidays. So let's get right into it. Select a niche. Normally, the gurus might say that you only need to sell one product, but I believe it's more about choosing one niche than a product. Choosing only one product isn't the best way to build a brand and be successful on Etsy in the long term. A trustworthy brand is the most prominent part of a business, and the key is to put your research into selecting a niche. That means choosing a specific area of interest for your products. So the first step is to ask yourself, what do you like the most? It doesn't have to be something you're super good at, just something that interests you. Let's say it's related to traveling, so you can choose that niche. Now, you need to do some research. For that, head over to Etsy's search engine and look for something, let's suppose, adventure travel gifts, and scroll through to see if people are buying the product. Then, move on to a research tool to analyze the market's demand. I recommend a tool like EverBee to make this part easier. Why do I recommend this one? Well, you can simply enter your keyword and check monthly sales, listing age, total sales, monthly revenue, and tags used by the current successful listings. Not just that, you can also learn all about the competitors as well. So now you know whether there is demand for your selected niche and which products are on sale as well. Create a product line. The next thing you'll do is design and launch several products of the same niche to attract target customers. Since you've already identified your niche, you know exactly what your potential customers are looking for. For example, let's say your customer in question is someone who likes to travel and is looking for a mug with travel pictures on it. That's why it'll be smart to create a range of products that cater to their interests. This way, your potential customers have a chance to buy more than just one product from your store. Now, to brainstorm ideas about what products from your chosen niche that you can launch, start by searching on Etsy and observe what products come up when you enter your niche's keyword. There, you'll find typical stuff like mugs, paintings, t-shirts, etc. But here's a pro tip. Focus on unique products like pillows, maps, posters, and mats, which are not easily available but are in demand. I say this because this will help your products rank in search results and will ultimately bring more customers to your store. Once you have an idea of what other products you want to sell, come up with your own designs for these products to make them unique and personalized in comparison to the products already available on Etsy. This will give your brand a name in the market, and customers will know where to find you when they need something specifically designed in your niche of business. Invest in SEO and Etsy ads. To reach more potential customers, I believe we have two options. The first option is to work on your SEO so that your products appear higher in Google search results. To do this, you need to research what people potentially search for when looking for products like yours. And to look for these keywords, you can use tools like Google's Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest. Once you have your keywords, you can add them to your product descriptions, but don't overdo it. Make sure it sounds natural. But the problem with this option is that SEO can take a while to start working. It might take you a month or more before you start getting more people looking at your products. And I know you want people to see your products now. So you can still work on your SEO, but use another thing, Etsy ads. It's a quick way to get more eyes on your products and generate sales. To start using Etsy ads, just go to the shop manager and click on marketing and then Etsy ads. You can even set up a daily ad budget, which starts from just $1. I know you might be hesitant to spend money on ads, but think of it as an investment in your business. And there's no risk. It's an official service which gets you customers quicker than other options and has a higher return on investment compared to other forms of advertising. Build an email list. The next step is to reach out to your customers personally. To get started, you can create an internal email list within Etsy. This means that you'll be sending emails to people who have already interacted with your shop. For instance, you can reach out to someone who has favorited an item or someone who abandoned their cart before making a purchase. You can even offer a coupon code to someone who has already bought something from you to encourage them to buy again. Etsy actually allows you to do all of this within their platform. Setting up an internal email list on Etsy is super easy, and once it's done, Etsy will automatically send out the emails for you. You just have to do it once and you're good to go. The other option is to build an external email list by connecting your Etsy account to a platform like Aweber. This email marketing service lets you create and manage email campaigns and collect your customers' email addresses outside of Etsy. You can then send them emails whenever you have new products or sales. Become a star seller. If you're selling on Etsy, you probably want to reach the top ranks, right? On Etsy, you do that by becoming a star seller. And it's not as complicated as it sounds. You just have to take care of a few things. Maintain an average review score of at least 4.8. Respond to customer inquiries within 24 hours 95% of the time, and ship all your orders on time. If you meet these criteria, you'll get a Star Seller badge. This badge can help you rank higher in Etsy's search results and gain more trust from customers. But it's not just a one-time thing. You need to consistently meet these requirements to maintain your Star Seller status. Oh, and keep another thing in mind. Etsy estimates your shop's performance every month based on the last 3 months' performance. So, keeping up with these requirements is important to maintain your Star Seller status. Holiday planning. There's a trick that very few people talk about when it comes to Etsy sales. The idea is to plan and create products around 60 to 90 days before major holidays, like New Year's, Easter, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. Not just that, you can also launch products for days like Mother's Day, Father's Day, Teacher's Day, Independence Day, and Breast Cancer Awareness Month. To make the most of the holiday season, prepare your products in advance and have them ready for when people start looking for holiday-themed items. This can help increase your website traffic and sales during peak holiday times. Let me be precise, for instance, if you're designing a range of Christmas decorations, aim to have all your ideas and designs completed by September or early October. This will allow you enough time to launch your products and have them ranked on Etsy before people start shopping for the holiday. That's it for this video, my online miners. If you enjoyed it, watch 10 easiest side hustles to start in 2024. Also, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments on what money-making methods you'd like to see in future videos. Take care and keep mining. Now go start your Etsy store. Yes, now.